How to create a streak on Snapchat. What is up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily create a streak on Snapchat. But before we get started, don't forget to leave a like down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let us jump right into the video. The very first thing that you want to do is open up your Snapchat app. And once you open up your Snapchat, all you have to do is simply go ahead and tap on the chat where you want to create a streak. So you have to note that in order to create a streak, both of you guys have to exchange snaps and send messages regularly without breaking it. So here I've gotten a snap from this person. So if I just send them a snap myself, like so, if I just click a quick picture and then tap on send, and if they send me back, as you can see, I've just created a streak of 1 day with this person. So this is how you create a streak on Snapchat. So if I just tap on your profile and tap on this, as you can see, I have a 1 day streak with this person. And if we continue to share snaps regularly, the streak will keep increasing day by day. And that's how you easily create a streak on Snapchat. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll see you guys on the next video.